Okay guys, we are back on today edition here. This is Dr. Fix. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to replace the climate control system of Volkswagen Tiguan 2014 model. So I have not done this before, obviously, but most things concerning Volkswagen, it doesn't really make my heart bleed or make me a little bit scared or nervous. Oh, you seen it back there sitting? Say hi to the family, Farins. Okay, Farron is saying hi to you guys, Rainbows and Sunshine. So without wasting your time, let's go. So I like what I did here, so you don't need to pull this whole assembly or any other thing. And as I can see from my predecessors, some other people who have attempted this before, you can see they've made some marks which here, so it's no more gonna be any different thing. So that's the first thing we need to do. So we need to find something like a rubber and ply here out, right? So I'm gonna do the same, whatever works best for you. So I'm gonna be using that. This is not too sharp, but so I'm gonna just put it here. I know a lot of you Americans are gonna go crazy about this. You don't want any scratch in your car, yeah, yada yada yada. That's it. So after getting this one out, so you can see some little hole here, pinch it out a little bit. Right now we are going to be diving to the second phase. So where is the second phase? Now here's the second phase. The second phase, I actually pulled it out, so there is something very soft somewhere around here. So you just want to use your hand and pull it out. You can see it right there. Pull it and drag it out. So when you drag it out, you're gonna be seeing in there we got two guys. One guy is on the roof. He's a plenty shears. So I'm definitely sure that this very middle one, this guy in the middle, the middleman, is gonna be my guest today. So we got a problem, got a company. So need to lose that out. So now as you lose it out, this very first cover face should be able to come out. And nothing is for real. Fish like, that's how you make me feel. When I'm with you, I'm far away, and nothing is for real. Fish like, that's how you make me feel. Fish like. Oh my gosh, he sings like an angel. What the fuck? He just say this guy make him feel fish leg. Oh, come on, buddy. Okay, so here we go. It's coming out just like I predicted. Here we go. Come on. Okay, still have some little thing here. Come on. Okay, it's out. Okay, I'll put that aside before it makes us fish head. You know there is no gain in eating fish head, right? A lot of you guys are not gonna believe that. I think that's why the new version of the speechless becomes fish head. That's how it makes me feel. That's how some of you who are busy watching my video and not giving a thumbs up makes me feel like even when I open the whole thing and show you guys, you find it so hard to give the video a thumbs up. Who the hell does a kind of thing like that? So guys, that's how you replace the what do you call it again? What the hell do you call this thing again? A climate control system. So now you know it. Don't feel like a fish leg when you're removing this thing next time. And I'm gonna see you on the next video. Bye for now. I'll catch you later. Now For a lot of you guys who don't know how to do this clip has to come out. All right, you pull it up right like this and pull this one up. Pull up, you know how to pull up, and secure this bolt here with the screws so they don't get away. Where the hell is that piece of shit? Where the hell is that? Okay, one is gone. Okay, two actually is gone. So we gotta go ahead and demonstrate this. Come over here and apply this one up, 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 right, up, up. For those of you who stop halfway around the world, then that's ingenuity right there. You push this black button in, then the socket should be coming out right away. Hold this. Okay, so push it and it should come out. Come on, man, don't make me beat you. See it right there. I wasn't there when it designed it. It was like this when I got here, but right now, so if you don't know it and you leave this one stuck right in here, you're gonna destroy this. I know a lot of people are gonna destroy it when they don't know how it is. So the red one comes out first, then it can give you a chance to push this downward, right? Then you pull it out. So this is exactly how it looks like. So you screw the new one in and boo boo boo, it's gone. So what the hell does this thing does? It does a lot of things. It make waffles, it make bread, and it make pizza. This makes pizza, and it drops down the temperature inside the car down. So guys, I'm gonna see you guys on the next video, rainbows and sunshine. And don't forget to smash that like button and share this information with others who are trying to replace this thing in your car. What do you call it again? Okay, catch ya. Yeah, finally on the Volkswagen Tiguan, the ACB 110911 issue error code. I finally solved this. So just like I told you guys, now let me show you. This is the replacement which I've got here. I've replaced it with another one. You can see it. Let me show you. So that's it there, and that's the one I replaced. So this is working as it should. So guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye. I'll see you later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have any further question, don't hesitate to ask me, and we're gonna sort it out. Say hi to my parents.